Ready to make a restaurant quality dish?
In about 20 minutes?
Then let's make
Seared Scallops with Asparagus!
Oh my gosh, this is a 5-star dish.
With a sauce to die for!
So hey everybody!
Hey guys!
Welcome back to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My searing loon.
Oh yeah, you know what? Today I've got my polka dotted shorts on, so I'm a little searing.
Yeah, well you've seared that into my memory, that's for sure.
Oh, thanks.
So folks, we're so excited because I am telling you, I think of all of the dishes that we have on How to Feed a Loon, we have lots. This has got to be, when you talk about easy and a short amount of time to prepare it.
And a touch of elegance to it.
A lot of elegance, and the results that you get are just like we said, it's 5-star. It's
amazing.
Incredible.
Amazing. I love scallops. Scallops to have no fish taste to it, which I love.
I know. It's not. I was gonna say that. So if you're serving, this is great to serve to people who aren't big seafood lovers because, like the Loon said, it's not fishy.
Exactly.
And it's such a handful of ingredients. So we've got our mise en place.
Yeah.
We're gonna go through this and we're gonna show you how we do this in just 20 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. So we've set up our mise en place.
Yes.
We've got some asparagus. We've got some beautiful sea scallops. We've got some salt and pepper. And then over here we've got some olive oil, some white wine vinegar, some white wine, and some unsalted butter.
Yes,
that's all there is to make the most amazing dish.
Crazy to me.
I've got my skillet here. I'm going to heat this up. I've got putting in 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
And I am going to fix up these asparagus. Now, I like my asparagus for this dish to be a little thinner, skinnier, if you will, just because it's, it's kind of elegant. You don't want this fat asparagus on top of yours.
So if you can find the thin asparagus, but that's what, like you said, that's what we love.
And
the larger will work too.
Right, and what I did, I just cut off the ends here because they're going to look nice on that plate.
Yeah, you want to take the stems off.
All right, here you go.
That was a half a pound. So we're doing this to serve 2 people. If you're going to serve 4 people, then just double the recipe.
Yes, exactly. And now we're going to salt and pepper these sea scallops.
Okay, these are beautiful.
That's lovely. These are done. I washed my hands, and now I'm ready.
Awesome. So now I'm going to hit this with just a little salt, a little pepper.
Now, how long does that take?
Okay, this only took about 3 minutes, but let's go back before that because we talked about our mise en place and we did a little bit of prep.
Yeah.
So that literally only took about 3 minutes, okay? So, all right, moving right along.
Yes, here you go.
This is so fantastic. I'm going to add another tablespoon of olive oil, and we are going to just nestle these beautiful, hear that sizzle, these scallops. So as I'm doing this, it's so amazing.
I love these so much.
I do too. Scallops are they are heavenly. They are so delicious. So there are 2 different types of sea scallops. There are 2 different types of scallops. These are called sea scallops, and they're nice and large. And you can also find bay scallops, which are a little smaller.
I'd much rather love the big ones.
Well, they're both delicious. The sea scallops are much easier to find.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to let these go until they get nice and brown on the bottom.
Yay.
Okay, folks, we're moving right along. I told you this is quick. So this has been going for 4 minutes.
Okay.
And you're going to flip those over.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Look how gorgeous that is.
So now these are supposed to be nice and brown on the top and the bottom, and then opaque in the middle.
That is right.
Okay.
Okay, folks.
Gorgeous.
Oh, these are beautiful. All right, now we just keep moving right along here. So now we're going to.
Those look perfect.
They really are. They're
brown and on the top and the bottom, and opaque in the middle.
That's right. Now you don't want to. You got to be careful. You got your heat. It's a medium-high heat.
Yes.
If you overcook these, then they get a little rubbery. But these are perfect. Now we've got this beautiful.
Look at that,
this is golden. So now we are going to make the most amazing sauce. We're going to deglaze the pan with that wine and the white, that smell, the white wine vinegar. Okay, so now we are moving right along.
Wonderful.
And we're going to let this cook down until it gets nice and thickened.
Yes.
Okay, look, see how that's reduced down? Now that only took 4 minutes. Now what we're going to do looks amazing. I know. Now we're going to add in that butter.
I've been waiting all day for that butter.
I know. This is going to take 1 minute to, let me turn down my heat, 1 minute to melt. Okay, we're so close to plating, so why don't you go ahead and get those scallops on the plates.
Oh, look at, okay.
So amazing. Incredible.
You know what? I think I'm gonna go overboard with the scallops because they look so good.
What do you mean overboard?
I'm gonna put like 4 on mine, or
Well-
5 on mine and 4 on yours.
So that's fine. Another dish that is really, really great with scallops that we absolutely love is cioppino. It's an Italian seafood stew that's really popular in San Francisco. It's got all kinds of seafood, but scallops are the big star. We love them
So good.
much.
It's got some heat that cioppino does.
A little bit. Okay, so now we're going to, this is beautiful. We're just going to add the juices from those scallops in there, and we're going to put this asparagus back in there just to kind of quickly reheat it.
Give it a good coating.
That's going to take only about another minute, not even a minute. We're just going to
just get
this
those nice and coated.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Okay.
All right.
All right, folks, it is time to serve up.
Yay!
And you see, we did it in 20 minutes.
Yes,
Oh my
20
gosh.
minutes.
I mean,
come on over
if
here.
you're going to do a double the recipe,
Lovely.
if you're going to double this recipe, then I would recommend doing the scallops in 2 batches, and that's going to add another probably 6 to 8 minutes to your total time. So you maybe look at 25 minutes. Okay, boy, I'm telling you, this sauce is just. Is that? I'm telling you.
Chris, maybe just a little more, please. Thank you.
This is what you call restaurant quality, folks. Oh, that sauce.
Oh, y'all, look at that. I'm just gonna do around the world in 80 days for you. Look at that. Ah!
That is a thing of beauty.
20 minutes.
I know.
20
I know.
minutes.
Just wait till we eat it.
That
till
is
you eat it.
so amazing. All right, I'm going in. I am going in. Oh.
Oh my gosh, the anticipation. I love scallops.
Look at that.
that is beautiful.
That is just.
Just, oh, it's like butter.
Oh gosh. Okay.
It's heavenly. I know. Can you believe we made
It
that
melts in your mouth. It's so
20
good.
minutes?
Oh no, I can't. I gotta have a
And
little.
you don't overcook the asparagus.
Yeah, you know what? I'm just going whole
There
hog.
you go. It's the thunder.
Yeah.
The skies are opening up. God is saying, "You've done it." So tell us about it.
Oh, that is amazing. It's like
We're
yes,
having this momentous.
God is applauding.
This huge storm outside. It's like the thunder is.
God is applauding this
Thunderous
dish.
applause.
I'm applauding this dish. This is amazing. Those scallops.
I know.
Are just like butter, just this delicious, and that sauce.
I
with,
know.
with the butter
Yeah.
and the asparagus are done just perfectly, salt and pepper just right. These are 1,000% Loon approved. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Chris, dig in,
I
please.
can hardly wait.
These are so good.
I know. It literally is. All right, I'm going in. There are no words. I mean, I am speechless. It is just phenomenal that something can be this delicious, and it was so quick and easy.
I know we're being fancy, but I'm picking up my asparagus.
Oh, please, go ahead and do it. This is absolutely, oh my gosh, this is incredible.
Yes.
I tell you what, this makes me want to make my cioppino.
Cioppino. Oh, you know what another good fish is?
What?
Oh, that red snapper. That red snapper is so good, Mediterranean style. So
That is
good.
great.
You can get these recipes on howtofeedaloon.com.
You gotta make these scallops. You're gonna be so happy,
Yay!
and then you're gonna have tons of time.
Yeah, make some scallops. They're so delicious.